hell. Get a unit, they said. It'll be mint, they said. Look at the state of me. I'm friggin' minging. I've been in the unit fitting lights and some of them I've had to remove some of the wood because it was in not very good condition just to fit the lights. So I think you can see there's a strip of wood that I've had to put in just to secure them lights. So all the fittings and the cables are in now.
I just need to physically fit the lights and then obviously test and energize the circuits, which I'm probably going to do in another day, to be honest, because I'm minging. It's Sunday, I'm in by myself. Spencer needs a day off to recuperate. But I'm in here bashing on, so I thought I'd give you a little look at just how the unit's going. You've obviously seen that we've got the 2-post ramps in. This first one here, that one's completely done. The second one we need to play with the floor bit. So I thought we're done with all the horrible concrete and grinding stuff, but we're not. We're still going to have to adjust that floor bit, but you know, it's nothing for the likes of me and Spencer. And over in this corner still looks like a building site because the landlord has built these columns to do this bit. Did I show you that in the other video? I can't remember. Here's a really cool bit as well. The toilet has been cleaned. So let's go and have a look. You wouldn't think that's the same toilet, would you? I had Spencer scrubbing his, getting his hand down and everything. Not really, I actually did it when he was doing other stuff. It just needed a good bit of lime scale sort of remover and a good scrub. And overnight it sort of cleared itself, it's fine. So that one's, I think that's good enough to do your business, to be honest, you know what I mean? I mean, it's not perfect, but yeah, I think I'd do it there. We're going up in the world though, we've got tea and coffee and loads of mugs, so thanks everyone that's given mugs, that's been great. Stuff to snack on, tea, coffee.
So if anyone wants to visit, at least I can make you a brew. And a big shout out to Facebook Marketplace, because for 40 quid we've got the fridge, the microwave and the toaster. So I could even feed you too if you did some work for her. Anyone doing that? In the little office, it's just looking like a bit of a store at the minute. We've just got stuff dumped around all the building stuff. Nothing really interesting in there. But the really big development is up there. As you can see, we've completely framed and boarded that area off. And that's just a storage area up there, so that's completely sectioned off now. And it's only accessible through this big door here that we've put. See the hinges? I'll show you the ins and outs in another video, to be honest, because I've got loads of timber up there, I'm not going to shift. But we're going to have like a set of loft ladder type ladders, you know, ladder things to go up there. Be meant, just wait. So in many ways it actually looks worse than what it did, but you know, we are getting there. I've got a big pile of rubbish to get rid of there. I think I'll get Spence to do that in all honesty, but really, really big development, the lights, and this week we're going to get full intruder alarm cameras, a lot installed, so that'll be cool. Be nice to have peace of mind that this is all completely done. It's already fully insured and that, so things are really, really moving fast. I'm really happy with how it's going. But yeah, big development with the lights. I'll get all them energized. It'll not be today, to be honest, because it's Sunday, it's dinner time now. I think I deserve a beer, in all honesty. Been grafting on this all week, so I'm going to take my lovely wife out because she's really quite lovely. Just being meant putting up with the sacrifice that it's taken for all this. So yeah, I think we'll flick to another day now. Smile, Spence. Check it out. How friggin' bright's that? I did film myself fitting switches because let's face it, I mean, it's just a switch, isn't it? You don't want to see that. And I just took it off the board, that's local, so it's perfect. But I've got them on separate circuits now as well. You can see how bright it is. Oh, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's so bright in here, I have to actually adjust the ISO on my camera. Just so that it doesn't look completely white, but wow, look at it. Oh, it's friggin' mint. Chris's Skoda's hanging around. We've got problems wrong with that, so expect some videos on that when we get a chance to do it. But I think for now that'll do. As you can see, we're painting the wall. more about that in the next video, I think. So thanks very much for watching. Got the lights and a little walk around. It's developed quite a bit and it's coming on mint. I hope you're enjoying watching it. Let us know what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And until the next time, ciao.